Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you Gongura Chicken. This dish is an authentic and a popular Andhra cuisine. Gongura leaves, which is also known as sorrel leaves, has a distinctive flavor and a sour taste which gives this dish a unique taste. Chicken itself will be very tasty no matter how we cook, but this dish is really ultimate and lip smacking. It can be best enjoyed with biryani, roti, chapati, dosa, rice or puri. So let's check out the recipe. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I will be taking 15 green chilies or according to your taste, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 7 cloves of garlic, 20 shallots, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped, 4 fistfuls of gongura leaves which is washed and cleaned, 850 grams of chicken which is marinated with 2 tablespoons of curd and a little salt. Now into a heated pan add in 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in shallots and green chilies and fry them until they are nicely done. Once they are nicely done, add in the gongura leaves. And saute until the leaves are well cooked and shrunk in size. Now the leaves are well cooked. So I shall turn off the stove and allow it to cool completely. While this is getting cooled, meanwhile in a heated vessel add in sufficient amount of oil and ghee. Once it's heated, add in the chopped onions and saute until it's translucent. Once the onions have turned translucent, add in the chopped tomatoes and saute until soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, add in all the spice powders. and give a good mix until everything combines well. Once it has combined well, add in the marinated chicken. And once give it a good mix. Cover the lid and allow the chicken to cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. While this is cooking, we shall grind our fried ingredients. Into a mixer jar, we shall add in all our fried ingredients. With garlic, ginger, add sufficient amount of water and grind it into a fine paste. Our ground paste is ready and this is how it looks. After 2 to 3 minutes, let's give chicken a good toss. Now let's add in the ground masala paste. And once give everything a good mix. Add sufficient amount of water to cook the chicken. Once give everything a good mix. Add in salt according to taste. Once mix well everything. Now allow it to come to a nice boil. Check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Keep stirring occasionally. I am adding in another half teaspoon of pepper powder here as the spice level was not sufficient for us. Add in chopped coriander leaves and allow it to simmer until it reaches the desired consistency. This is the preferred consistency, hence turning off the stove. Spicy, tangy Gongura chicken is ready to be served. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.